This building was considered as the old facade at the entrance of the Military Academy in 1847. The building was used as the offices of the General Coordination of Bosque de Chapultepec for many years until 2007. As part of the rescue of the first section, the offices were relocated to the new building, which is very close to it. The building is in bad conditions as a result of the lack of maintenance as well as the adaptations that were made. Fideicomiso Pro Bosque de Chapultepec undertook the task of recovering, revaluing, and reactivating this space, converting it into a site museum and information center which will be open and offered to the public. This project was chosen and supported by the World Monuments Fund, the principal private international organization dedicated to the conservation of cultural heritage. In 2016, it was part of the World Monument Watch with 52 sites around the world, in which American Express granted to this organization a donation of $245,000 for the conservation and rehabilitation of this space in the Chapultepec forest. The executive project of rehabilitation was in charge of architect Gabriel Mérigo, and it included the restoration of the building, currently, the museography and assembly is being executed by Despacho Siete Colores. Soon, this space will be the welcome of millions of people who visit Bosque de Chapultepec.